Hello and welcome to Smith's Hyundai in Peterborough. Thank you very much for your inquiry on our Insta. This is just a short video to go through the controls with you before you come and test drive the car. Therefore, you have a little bit of familiarization before you actually come for your drive. So our demonstrator that we're running currently is the Inster 02, and this is also finished in buttercream yellow. So this is the car that you will be driving today, just so you know exactly what to look out for when you do come to our showroom. So this car has full keyless entry, so therefore as long as you have the key somewhere on your person, you'll be able to lock and unlock the car just by the button located on the door handle there. Once you've unlocked the car, you can then go inside and I will show you how everything works. Okay, so now we are inside the all-new Inster. This will just be very, very brief, just so you know a little bit about what to do when you are in the car before your test drive. So, just to get us started up, you need to put your foot on the brake, and then the EV start-stop button just here. Give that a press and then you'll know exactly the car is ready to drive, because it will also tell you just there. So, a few controls then for while you're going out for your test drive. Most importantly, how to put it into gear. So this will be found just on the gear stick just off to the right here behind the steering wheel. So foot on the brake, twist forward to go into drive, twist all the way back to go into reverse, and then park is actually located just on the end of the stick here. So once you press park, the parking brake will also be applied automatically in the majority of situations. Just so in case you do get lost, the Insta does have built-in sat-nav regardless. However, if there was an instance that you would get lost, then we also have our address located just there, so you'd be able to find your way back if needed. Other than that, if you wanted to find another address while you're on your drive, you can just go into the search bar there and then pop in a postcode or a street name, and it will locate it for you and pop it into the sat nav. We've also got our radio stations put in here. It's automatically set to Heart Peterborough, but if you ever want to change it, you do have your station list just over there, which will then bring up the entirety of the library of radio stations. If you do want to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, then our cable situation is just over to the left. If you plug your phone in, then you'll be able to use both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as labeled just on the screen. When it comes to climate control, so it is all via buttons. Hyundai very much like to keep their buttons, so it's all manual. You can set your aircon temperature using these toggles here. You also have your rear heated screen, your front demister. You've also got your airflow and also your fan direction just here, and then you can also turn your AC on and off here. If you just want to leave the system to it, click the auto button and you're good to go. So in this version of the Insta, you do also have heated seats, so passenger and driver just there, and then you have a wireless charger just in here for you. So that was just a quick introduction to the Insta, just so you know roughly what to do when you do get in the car and you don't feel completely lost. Thank you very much, and we're looking forward to seeing you when you get here.